Evening, folks. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I'm up under the bed. Diesel pusher of a Cat C7 up to a C9. I'm going to show you something. Turn the camera around. Okay, what you got is this grease fitting right here. Okay. You go, hey, what's a grease fitting doing on an engine? So you follow it out, and it goes, all right, here we go, to the fan. You see it? Right there's the big fan. And that's the bearing down there. So right here's the hose. All right. And I'm going to pump a little grease into it. It's been a while. So, sorry for the quality of the video, but yeah, it's kind of tough being in here. I'm going to put you on pause, and I'll show you why. All right, it's got to go pause here. All right, so we're back. That's where I was laying, on top of that engine there. And right there is the grease fitting I'm talking about. There's the grease gun. Hope I don't drop it. And there is the grease fitting. Hold on here. Right there. So all I'm going to do is pump a little grease. I'm going to keep my eye on it because I don't want too much flinging out. Right? It'll hit the belt and slip and all that. So that was preventive maintenance for y'all that have C7, C9s. I don't know about the other cats. I've worked on them, but I can't remember right today. So it is a little dark. All right. I'm inside my coach under the bed. There you go. All right. Thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember, the motto is test, not guess. You're right. And preventive maintenance. Be a bunch of videos coming. There's some already on there. I don't know, 15, 17. Who's counting? Maybe me, huh? Thank you anyway. Don't forget the Facebook page, RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting. The website, www.rvdiagnostics.com. And the email, jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. That's plural, diagnostics.com. And the other one is the garage at 22480 Biloxi School Road, Seaford, Delaware, 19973. Do not show up unannounced. You gotta give me 2-3 weeks notice. I'm getting ready to head out to Myrtle Beach right now. If you're down that area, this is like April, I don't know, 22nd or 20th right now. We're going down for 2 or 3 weeks. We'll be back May-ish sometime. Once again, thank you, everybody.